Hello everybody, welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. A modern kitchen is more than just a space for preparing meals, it's the true heart of the home. It's where family and friends gather, where functionality meets style, and where design choices can completely transform the atmosphere. With the right balance of layout, materials, and decor, the kitchen becomes both practical for everyday use and inviting for special moments. This blend of beauty and function is what makes modern kitchen designs so inspiring. A modern kitchen thrives on openness and flow. Removing unnecessary walls or barriers creates a seamless connection to dining and living areas, making the whole space feel larger and more welcoming. Large windows or sliding glass doors bring in natural light, creating a bright and uplifting environment. By keeping the layout spacious and uncluttered, the kitchen becomes not just a place to cook, but also a comfortable hub for gathering, relaxing, and enjoying everyday life. Clean lines and simple forms define the look of a modern kitchen, and cabinetry plays a big role in achieving this. Handleless doors, flat fronts, and smooth finishes create a sleek and streamlined style. At the same time, smart storage solutions keep everything organized and out of sight. Pull-out pantries, deep drawers, and clever corner units maximize every inch of space, while open shelves can be used to showcase decor or everyday essentials. This balance of hidden function and subtle display keeps the kitchen practical without sacrificing elegance. Countertops and backsplashes set the tone for the entire kitchen, acting as both functional surfaces and eye-catching design elements. Sleek quartz, durable solid surfaces, or natural stone instantly elevate the look with a sense of sophistication. A waterfall edge on a kitchen island can turn it into a true centerpiece, while textured or bold backsplashes bring depth and personality to the walls. Together, these details create a stylish backdrop that blends beauty with everyday practicality. The kitchen island has become one of the most versatile features in modern design. More than just extra counter space, it serves as a gathering spot for family meals, casual conversations, or even working from home. Many islands now include built-in storage, sinks, or appliances, making them a true multitasking hub. When paired with thoughtful lighting above, the island transforms into both a practical workstation and a stunning focal point in the kitchen. Its presence naturally draws people in, creating a sense of togetherness. With the right design, it can completely redefine how the kitchen is used every day. Modern kitchens feel most welcoming when they combine sleek design with natural warmth. Wood accents, whether in cabinetry, flooring, or ceiling beams, soften the clean lines and add a touch of comfort. Stone and metal elements bring contrast, giving the space a balanced and contemporary feel. Neutral tones paired with subtle pops of color create depth without overwhelming the eye. Textured finishes, such as matte cabinets or rustic wood grains, add character and make the kitchen more inviting. This thoughtful mix of materials ensures the space feels both stylish and comfortable for everyday living. Technology has become an essential part of modern kitchen design, making daily routines easier and more efficient. Smart appliances can be controlled with a touch or even by voice, saving time and adding convenience. Lighting also plays a key role in shaping the mood and functionality of the space. Layered options like task lighting for work areas, ambient lighting for overall brightness, and accent lighting for highlights create the perfect balance. Motion sensor lights or dimmable fixtures bring an extra layer of modern comfort, blending practicality with a sleek, contemporary feel. A modern kitchen is all about combining function, style, and comfort to create a space that feels both practical and inviting. From open layouts and sleek cabinetry to warm materials and smart technology, every detail has the power to transform the heart of the home. These design and decor ideas prove that a kitchen can be efficient for everyday living while also inspiring creativity and connection. For more inspiring design ideas, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks.